5 ways to increase your motivation. If you want to get anything done, then you need motivation to make it happen. This is the crucial fuel that will help you to become more successful, more accomplished, and happier. Without it, you will remain exactly where you are right now, without any forward momentum. The only problem is, motivation is finite, and not exactly easy to come by. If you're someone who struggles to motivate themselves, then you can't just decide to be more driven. So what do? Here are 5 ways you might be able to boost your motivation. 1. Remember why. One of the most important things you can do to increase your motivation is to remember why you need to do the thing you need to do. So if you're trying to get some work done, remind yourself why it's important that you finish it in time. And remind yourself why your career matters to you. Visualize where you want to be in X amount of time, and visualize your route to getting there. 2. Boost your energy. Motivation takes energy. The tireder we are, the more prone we are to procrastination and putting things off. So try to sleep better, use supplements, and do what you can to be energized and ready for work. 3. Meditate. Meditation is really an exercise in discipline. This is the practice of completely focusing your mind and avoiding distracting thoughts. If you can make this a part of your routine, you'll eventually be able to focus on anything that you need to. 4. Exercise. Exercise is likewise a great way to practice motivation, and has been shown in studies to boost self-discipline and make us more effective and driven in other aspects of our lives too. Best of all, exercise will strengthen your body and mind to make you more energized and better able to resist distraction and temptation. 5. Use rewards. If you usually sit down to work, then make tea and check your emails, you may find it's late in the day by the time you actually start work. Instead, then, consider making those activities into rewards that you will only get for successfully completing your other tasks. You can make tea only after you've completed X amount of work, for instance, and you can only check your emails once you've done another bulk on top of that. This keeps you driving forward and removes distractions.